Enter the Node.js official website. Click Download in the navigation bar to download the Node.js version we need. Click the selection box behind Get Node.js and select the version we need to download. Here we choose v20.19.1 LTS. We install it through the binary package. We select the Linux version below the instruction installation box. Because BL410 is the ARMxy version, we select the corresponding version and click standalone binary.exe to download the binary package. Use a USB flash drive to copy the installation package to the device. There is a script in BL410 that automatically mounts the USB flash drive. We use ls to view the installation package in the USB flash drive. We create a node folder in the root directory in advance and use cp node v20.19.1 linux arm64.tar.exe/node/ to copy the Node.js installation package to the node folder. Enter tar-xvjf node v20.19.1 linux arm64.tar.exe to decompress the installation package. The unzipped installation package will generate a node v20.19.1 linux arm64 folder in the /node folder. Enter cd node v20.19.1 linux arm64/bin to enter the bin folder. At this time, we can see 4 files, namely corpac node npm npx. We use ln-f to create link files ln-ef/node/node v20.19.1 linux arm64/bin/node/user/bin/ and ln-ef/node/node v20.19.1 linux arm64/bin/npx/user/bin/ and ln/ef/ node v20.19.1 linux arm64/bin npx user/bin/. Enter node v and npm v to verify whether the Node.js and npm package management tools are installed successfully. The version number indicates that the installation is complete. Use the command npm install -g unsafe perm node-red to install node-red. After node-red is installed, enter ls and we can view the node-red file. Use ln-sf/node/node v20.19.1 linux arm64/bin/node-red/user/bin/ to create a link. Enter node-red to verify the software installation environment. Open the browser and enter the device IP plus 1880 in the browser address bar to access. When the browser now opens Node-RED, the installation is complete.